for the follow-up, fam. Today we're going to be hiking the Rim Trail. We're hiking the first 4 miles, and afterwards we're going to follow up on some information you might want to know if you want to go on this trail yourself. Easy. It's really pretty. I love the view of the mountains.
It's really rocky though right here.
It's narrow rocky right here.
Rocks.
And it's 2 miles in, right?
Yeah, we've gone 2 miles in and we're about to hike 2 miles back. So overall the trail was pretty easy. There was a super narrow rocky part right around the 2 mile mark, but it wasn't bad at all.
There was a falling cable that it was at the very beginning, not very beginning, but it was near the beginning. And it stretched through a little bit of it, not much though. The dog ability I think was pretty good. I think Sumi did a little bit better than Kopi did. Kopi got a little tired and we had to carry him, but Sumi did pretty good throughout the whole thing.
Up there was really amazing. It was super pretty, and we'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit after what the view looked like. It was so pretty, and you could just see all the mountains, and you could see all of the city, and I really liked it.